Hi Zoidies, and welcome back to another video on my channel Plannerzoid. And in today's video I will be doing a decorative spread in my micro happy planner that I just created for this month. Please check it out. All you have to do is visit my channel, click join, and you can choose any tier you want. It starts as low as 99 cents. So today's video is going to be pretty much following up with the cover. Like, I wanted to match some of my planner spreads with the theme of my micro cover this month, which is apples. I am still in the fall mood, y'all. I'm not ready for Christmas. And I will be using some stickers from the Hubman and Chubgirl brand. Super cute. I did do a first impression unboxing of these stickers, so please check out that video. I will link it at the end. I will also be using some stickers that I created. I used the Mink machine to foil these stickers. I created it in my studio on my computer. Then I foiled them in the Mink machine, and y'all, I'll link that at the end too. Like, y'all, get a Mink machine, okay? If you want to elevate your stickers, these are so pretty. And then I'll be using some stickers from this sticker book. This is from Recollections. It got some apples in there, so I'm like, you know what? Let's use it. Y'all, this brand is so cute. I literally cannot wait to purchase their advent calendar. I've been wanting one for like a year, and I was so happy when they sent this to me. Like, this was a gift from them to me, so grateful. Like, I cannot wait to show y'all the spread that I want to put together with this. Look how cute she is. Aww. Y'all forgive me, like, I'm so tired. It has been a long week. I have been so busy with all the crafting and the collab and stuff that I'm doing. Like, I'm just having a good time crafting, but also tired, y'all. Like, putting my skills to work is tiring, but I love it. So what I'm going to do first is start with this paper. I got this paper from the, what is it called? This paper is from Michael's. It's from the Orchard Hill paper pad, and so are these two sheets. Super cute. I thought this would be a great match because it's neutral, but it has the foils and stand out. I think it'll look really good. First, I'm gonna hole punch it. I'm gonna start with some box stickers first. I am in love with the holo. This is so nice. I was debating whether I should use regular or holo, but I think I'm gonna use holo. Wait, this looks nice too. Both of these could match. I might use this combo instead. I'm gonna start with putting this here. Y'all, I have been back and forth with what I'm going to use my micro for again. Right now, it's just simply for like decor. Like, I'm just decorating it. I love showing and using stickers in it. That's mostly what it's for, but like, I thought about using it for affirmations or something. Look how cute this die cut is. This die cut is so cute. Like, this feels like it's almost like waterproof. Oh my gosh. I actually want to use one of these too. This little tree is so adorable. I'm gonna put it right here. And actually, in this sticker book, I saw some trees that I really liked. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, these are so cute. I'm gonna use these too. Yeah, I'm definitely going to put this here. I want to add a circle too. It's a lot of boxes going on. Let's add. And actually, I kind of like, this is really adorable. Look at this little basket of apples. I thought about using this apple pie, but I think I'm gonna save it for a whole different spread. I think I just wanna mostly use like apples. Ooh, wait, I like this one. That is so cute. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing like a little to-do spot and put apples for bullet points. That'll be really cute. Let me see if there's any to-do stickers. This is cute. Give me fall. I think I'm going to use this. It doesn't say to-do, but you could use it as a to-do. Like this. And then I want to add a few little small apples. Let me see. Does that look even? I think so. I hope so. It looks even. That's really cute. Actually, oh, that's so cute. I didn't even notice. Look, it's a branch with some apples coming off of it. I'm going to use one. We can put it like right here. Oh, too late. I was going to move it over, but now I'm not going to move it over. And I kind of want to use this jam too. I don't know why. This is cute. Use this little apple jam. But I want to save it because I want to do something with these pies. So the juice in the pie will be really cute. So I'm going to probably save those. I'm going to add a line to that because I'm like, well, no. I could just like write freely. I think I'll just write freely. That'll be cute. Okay, and I also want to use an affirmation sticker. So I created and folded some affirmation stickers. You can put that right here. I wish I had a sticker that said to do or something. I think I'm gonna have to branch it to another sticker book. Oh wait, I see something. Oh, okay, I see some today stickers in here. That's cute, I'll do that. I see today and I see tomorrow. We'll use both. We can say today here. I could say tomorrow here, but I feel like it won't be a lot of room. This is kind of cute. I don't know why I want it here, but I want it here. And then I'm just going to add some other little apples from the sticker book to it. I see different colors. Yeah, that's perfect. Y'all, this is looking so cute. What do you guys think? Aw. I want to add more to it, but I'm not exactly sure what. I was thinking, should I add more apples? But I also saw some of these acorns, which I thought were really cute. I'm going to add a few acorns. Because I'm not playing with y'all. Like, fall is where it's at right now for me, and I'm gonna keep doing fall because everybody's already putting out all of these holiday things. I'm so bad. Like, I feel like fall has just begun. This is cute. And then I wanted to put something here, but I'm gonna have to try another sticker book because this one isn't giving me what I want. I mean, maybe I could put another quote. Let me see. I see fall's my favorite. That's kind of cute. Let's put that there. Yeah, that's cute. Let's add it to my planner and see how it looks. Just had my planner and no idea where it's even at. Ooh, what do we think? Y'all, this is so adorable. I am in love with this spread. The size of the stickers are perfect. Like, when I tell you, they're so small so they can fit in a micro. I love this. I haven't used these because I wasn't exactly sure. I think I want to use this in a bigger size planner, like a mini happy planner or the A5 ring planner. Thought about trying those. So yeah, I'm going to save these for another spread because I will be doing another apple spread this month. That is for sure. And I'm going to actually put this in my Notique planner cover. I want to see how it looks. Actually, it goes really nice with the pink. I do like it with the pink, that's for sure. Wow, this is so cute. I love this. And look, it closes perfectly. And I do have a video showing this cover and unboxing it, like a little mini Notique haul. So if you want to check it out, it'll be linked at the end. The playlist for the Micro Happy Planner will be linked at the end of this video. I love how this came out, y'all. This is so cute. Let me know down below what you guys think of this nice simple spread. I thought it was fun. Make sure you check out Hubman and Chubgirl if you're looking for some fun, cute hand-drawn stickers. They do so many different kinds of themes, and I can't wait to order from them again. But I just had to do a video showing their stickers and making a spread because I thought it would be fun. And it's a great way to highlight a smaller business. Also, did y'all hear about Happy Planner putting out the Harry Potter stuff? Wow. I'm thinking about trying it. I am. Like, I'm thinking about snagging something and definitely doing a video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go lay down now. I think I'm tired. Like, I feel so discombobulated today, but I had to make this video because when I tell you, I have been waiting to use these stickers and I can no longer wait. I just had to, no matter what state I'm in. So I'm gonna lay down now, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you check out the rest of the playlist for the Micro Happy Planner. It's super cute. Thanks, guys, and bye, Zoidies.